Hi guys, hope you're doing good. In this series of videos, we are learning about Linux and Unix commands. People those are using Mac, these commands are for you as well. Let us go ahead and see how to compress a file or zip a file. To compress or zip a file, we'll be using a command called this gzip. First, let me go ahead to a folder where I have some big files. Let me just check what are the files that I have. Okay, to understand more, let me find the size of everything. Now here let us find a bigger file. Here we can see ebook.pdf is a bigger file. It's almost 4 MB, right? Just little bit more than 4 MB. To compress this file, I'll be using a command, as I said, gzip, followed by the file name. When I do this, my file will be compressed and will be having an extension called as .gz. Now you can see that here. You can see that my file has been compressed and it has been given an extension called as .gz so that we can understand that it's a compressed file. Now the file which was almost 4 MB, that's more than little bit more than 4 MB, has been compressed to 2.5 MB, right? So this is how we compress. Now we can compress in various stages, right? We have some options right from 1 to 9. Now if I want to compress the file faster, I'll be using 1, right? And if I want to compress the file slowly, then I'll be using 9. But the speed matters a lot. Now when my compression happens in a faster pace, then the amount that is getting compressed will get reduced, right? When it's 9, my compression will happen slowly and steadily, and the more compression will happen when I go use 9. So right from 1 to 9 I can use any number to compress my file, right? So let me tell you, by default if I zip, the option is 5, right? But if I want, I can give a different thing. So before compressing, let me uncompress this file, right? So if I want to uncompress it, unzip it, right? To unzip, I'll be using g unzip, right? Very simple. The command name is g unzip. For zipping, it is gzip. For unzipping, it is g unzip, right? So we'll be always using this whenever we use this GNU's what packages, right? So that stands for GNU's package, right? So we can understand G stands for GNU's package. Okay, good. So let me say ebook dot pdf.gz. Let me unzip it. Let us just come back again and see. Yeah, it has been unzipped. It again just went back to 4 MB, right? Now let me say, I'll say gzip -1. That's the option that I'm giving there. That is, compressing is faster, but the compression will get like reduced. The amount, you can see that it is 2.5 MB. Now when I see, like, you can just see the changes here. So it is gzip -1 and the file name, right? So let us check the size of it again. Now here it is 26, that is 2.6 MB. When I do it with 1, you can see it is 2.5 MB before. When I do it normally, when I do it with -1 option, it went faster, but it just got affecting the, it is literally affecting the size of it, right? So there is almost a huge difference here. You can see, right? There's a huge difference. It is 2.5 MB, it is 2.6 MB, right? So there's a huge difference. The same way, let me unzip it again. Unzip. Okay. Let me zip it again with -9 option. That's the difference. We'll see the difference. -9 option. Let me check it again. Now you can see it is 2.6 with 1 and 2.5 with -9, and you can see the difference, right? So here you can see the difference. It is 5397. Here it is 0456. So it is actually with -5 by default. Now here it is -9. You can see the difference here, right? 1000 difference is there, right? 5000, almost 5000 difference is there. This is how we do it, right? So whenever we want to zip it slowly and steadily, I want a better effect, then I'll go for -9. When I don't have time, like I want to make it faster, right? I don't care about if there is some slip, no problem, you can go for -1. So gzip for zipping any file, gunzip for unzipping any file, and for gzip we have a lot of options like -1 to -9, right? That is faster pace to slower pace, where it affects the size. But here for unzipping we don't have any options, right? It's just unzip will unzip the file and bring it back to the normal stage, like whatever size is what before, it will bring back to the same stage. wherever you are, right? You have zipped using a -9 option, or you're zipped using a -1 option, that doesn't matter. But when I unzip, it will just come back to the same size of it. You can see here we have unzipped here, and let us we have zipped here with -9 option. That is one of the best option that we have. Unzip it. Now you can just check the option here. You can see it just came back to the same size, 4.1 MB, right? There will not be any change. That is the actual size of it, 4197598, same size. So where, from whichever level you are unzipping it, that doesn't matter, it is going to give you the same size of it. I hope you got it, guys. If you have any doubts or queries in this video, please put it in the comment section. I'll definitely get back to you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thank you very much.